If you are looking for a social media planning tool to use in 2026 at your marketing agency to collaborate with your team, schedule your client posts, see the analytics, reply to comments and DMs and all this sort of stuff, let me show you a tool which is called PostPlanify, exactly built for that. It's a social media management platform built for agencies and teams. So let me go to the dashboard and show you things in practice. So when you first open up PostPlanify dashboard, this is the first thing you will see, a content calendar where you'll be seeing all your scheduled and published posts all in one place. You can see their details, you can see their preview, just like these, and you can see other stuff like the performance insight, and also as well as a discussion window which you can tag your teammates and all the other stuff to discuss something related to this specific post. I can switch between different views such as the weekly view, the list view, I can see my monthly view, I can see my notifications like what is happening across my workspace and client accounts, and also I can select my time zone and of course do some filtering such as only see scheduled posts, only see posts with some label, I can also see only posts awaiting your approval and all this sort of stuff. And as for the configuration part, by the way, on PostPlanify you'll be creating different workspaces for different clients you are managing at your agency. So let's say this is your client 1, client 2, client 3, and under these workspaces, you'll be connecting the social media accounts of your clients right here in the account step. So you can see all the available platforms here, such as Facebook, Instagram, LinkedIn, Google My Business, and any other platforms are supported on PostPlanify. So you can just connect your client accounts right here. And once you go back to the workspace tab, you'll be seeing that there's an invite people button, which you can use to invite your client members and also as well as your clients, by the way, to this workspace to collaborate all together within the same shared calendar. And after that, I'll be showing you how you can plan your content on PostPlanify pretty easily. So I just click onto the create post button, and here I can just upload my media file. This could be image, video, whatever. I'll be just uploading an example image for now. Then I can selecting the accounts that I want to publish this post to. I can also see the preview of my grid, by the way, for TikTok, for Instagram, whatever. I can also select the posts as a story as well. This is also supported. I can write my post description right here. Then I will be customizing this post per platform just by clicking on to this button. I can add a comment. I can mention organizations on LinkedIn posts. I can also add a location for Instagram posts. And I can, of course, tag users, add some collaborators for my posts. Like all these little customizations per platform is supported. Then I can, of course, write captions with AI, by the way. There's an AI for that. I can just click onto this button to create separate captions for each platform. Then I can preview my post, like how it's going to look like on different platforms. Then I can request approval from my teammates or my clients before the post goes live. Then I can schedule this post for a later date. I can also publish it right now or save it as a draft if you want to come back to it later. There's also other helpful stuff such as assigning labels to posts so you know what is what, and you can also adjust your hashtag sets right here and use these sets when you're creating new posts. This is also supported. And of course you can also use AI assistant to refine the captions such as fixing grammar, rephrasing it, improving the structure, and all the others. And after you schedule your post, of course, you want to see your analytics and insights in one single dashboard. And here is where PostPlanify comes handy as well. I can see my total followers, my views data, my engagement data. I can also see my daily views in a historical, beautiful chart. I can see my top posts. I can see my views by platform, which is a pretty helpful metric to decide which platforms are yielding the best results. And I can also see my best accounts right here, so I can go into their details as well. So for example, this is my Twitter account. I can see my trend graphs right here, my followers, my views, how they are changing over time, my best times to post data, and also my post performance detail, which I can just take a look if I want to make better data-driven decisions. Like if there's anything that is working well, then I can just reuse it again as well. And of course, in the reports tab, you can just generate branded PDF reports for your clients social accounts performance right here. I can give the title, select the date range, select the accounts I want to include in this report. Once I click on generate, I'll be seeing all my reports here. And I can add my own branding, such as my accent color, my footer text. I can also see my scheduled reports, such as I can just assign this job and say that I want this report to come into my mailbox every single week or every single month at this time, and it will just arrive at your mailbox. I can just show you an example report right here. This is the personal workspace I have. I can see my total followers, my total views, and also how they changed over the time period that I selected, and also by being compared to the selected date range like the previous period. I can see my platform breakdown details, their change details as well. I can see my trend and insights graph, which is a pretty useful data, and I can also see my daily views, daily engagement rate by platform, and also as well as my top performing posts here again as well. Right after that, in the social inbox tab, you'll be able to manage your comments and DMs across all your accounts here as well. So I can see some of the comments that I got. I can write a reply back to those. I can generate one from AI replies, by the way. This also supports brand-aware AI captions, AI replies as well, which is pretty handy. And I can also get one from my saved replies. I can also assign these comments to specific teammates I have so they can take care of it. I can also assign labels for easier categorization. I can search through comments, see my messages, reply back to those. This is also supported as well. And I can also see the sentiment analysis, like only see neutral posts, only see positive posts. All these are supported right here again. And in the media library, of course, you'll be seeing all your brand assets, such as your images, videos you use in your posts. You can just create some separate folders. You can create tags for easier categorization, or upload some media files to use them later. Like, all these will be listed right here. So I hope you found this video helpful. I just wanted to show you a way how you can plan your client social media content in one single platform, and you can just give it a try for free. Like, you can just see it for yourself, and it also starts from $99 per month to $299 and beyond based on what you need. You can see all the details right here as well. So let me know if you have any questions. Have a great day. Take care.